when Nvidia reported, it was kind of when we had that dip into correction territory for the Magnificent Seven. So the market was looking towards Nvidia to sort of kind of be that savior. And look, I still think the results were fantastic. Still sort of shows for me that AI demand is still there. Ultimately, I think it put to bed some of those concerns around DeepSeek. It kind of put to bed some of those concerns around AI demand. The sort of what the market is focusing on is the dip in margin guidance for next quarter. Came in a little bit below estimates, but I think it's a bit of an overreaction from the market. The market is sort of dialed in on that margin guidance, but really what they've sort of not looked at is the fact that, okay, they've sort of ramped up Blackwell production at the fastest pace ever. They've just delivered $11 billion in revenue for Blackwell. That sort of
Blackwell, of course, being the chip.
Correct. Yeah. And ultimately that put to one side that sort of idea that, Blackwell, sort of production was slowing down. So really it's one of those question marks. Okay, there's always something, I think, to sort of pick a weakness in. And if it wasn't going to be sort of a dip in margins, then it would have been the Blackwell production not coming through. So for me, that little bit of lower guidance on margins is needed for this business to keep innovating, to stay at the front of its game, and ultimately keep delivering the supply given the demand that they've got from sort of big tech right now.